back channel means that you're able to find someone who can talk where the person effect, the bonding is possible that you yourself cannot establish. Often that third party back channel will create more psychological safety. We haven't talked about this yet, but the effect of psychological safety will open up all kinds of possibilities when I trust. And so a back channel will often create the opportunity for trust. And actually that's what mediation is at its best, creating trust. And as you meet individually, help them understand they can actually find a solution together. So a mediation is not necessarily just sitting down with the two parties present, but to meet individually to help open up the mindset to think new ways of interacting to build trust.
Are there some rules or principles for back channel negotiation?
I think looking for that person that can be trustworthy.
Okay.
Both sides have to trust them. Someone who is going to be objective. Someone who understands the dilemma or the paradoxes that are being dealt with. Someone who's good in dialogue so that they're not talking too much, but they're asking a lot of questions. Someone who is able to get the person to think by having questions that open up the mind and the heart. Because in the end, the best negotiations based on back channeling is it opens a new arena of coming together.